watching our special show Change Agents, and we're coming to you from the India Economic Summit, which is playing host to the 5th India Social Entrepreneur of the Year Awards, handed out by the Schwab Foundation in association with the UNDP. On to the final winners of the awards this evening. It's a teacher duo. Padmanabha Rao and Rama Rao started off their initiative in 1987 in Rishi Valley, and it was while they were teaching in rural Andhra Pradesh that they realized the need for relevant content to actually be able to reach out to children in rural India. That's where the idea came from. Over their journey so far, they've reached out to over 75,000 schools and touched the lives of 8 million children across India. Here's their story. It was an invitation to teach in the rural outback of Andhra that got Padmanabha Rao and his wife Rama to leave the city of Hyderabad and return to their grassroots. Born in rural Andhra to a doctor, serving the community came naturally to Padmanabha. But the opportunity to teach in the Rishi Valley in 1987 was the catalyst that got him going on a change mission. Familiar to the apathy of the education system in India, this teacher duo launched RIVA, Rishi Valley Institute for Education Resources, an initiative that creates teaching curriculum involving the local community in the process of education to help children learn better.
We just started the whole thing as finding solutions to our own local problems in and around Rishi Valley. I mean, we didn't think about we being as a national or international resource and coming up with a model which would which would be later on taken up by a large number of people. We started finding local solutions, because we firmly believe that most of these problems all these local problems have to find local solutions. It's a kind of insight that was already there in our minds, that the local ingenuity and finding local solutions, not to look for outsiders or other countries for solutions, because we have our own very local kind of problems, and for that you need to find local solutions.
Padmanabha and Rama designed their workbooks and curriculum listening to grandmom stories and local folklore. It helps children connect with their lessons better. Students are taught language, math and about the environment through practical means. So for a lesson, special village fairs are organized where students set up stalls. Interacting and transacting with people helps these kids communicate better, and they also learn how to add and subtract. Teachers are chosen from the village and trained to understand and implement the curriculum. Batches are kept small to about 25 to 30 students per class. With more than 10,000 teachers introduced to the program, Padmanabha and Rama themselves manage 12 one-room, one-teacher satellite schools under this model in rural Andhra.
There are two important products of the whole endeavor of RIVA. One is the school in a box, or the self-learning materials, which are all activity based, and this becomes a kind of template for many other states, and but we don't allow them just to copy it, and we organize designers workshop wherein we try to explain the underlying principles of the Rishi Valley teaching learning materials, and then we encourage the teachers to look at their syllabus, their curriculum and their culture and the local context, and try to bring in those things so that there is a strong local specificity which will really motivate children to come to school and really find a meaning in education. And through these self-learning materials, we also train the teachers, because the second component, to how to handle this kind of teaching learning materials and how to actually achieve the learning levels among the children.
Starting off from a small village, Madnapalli in Andhra Pradesh, the RIVA project has been replicated in more than 75,000 rural government schools, reaching out to more than 80 lakh students. Acknowledged internationally, Padmanabha and Rama have worked with the international development agencies like UNICEF to produce content.
Some schools in Munich and Regensburg in Germany have taken up this model, and the whole Regensburg University got so enthused in this model that now they don't find this as a low-cost thing, and they don't find this as a tool only for the multi-grade schools, but any kind of school where learning is happening in a very purposeful way, where the child is flowering in goodness, where the teacher and the child are together in a very informal ambience, doing the whole business, what you call as education, achieving things.
Well, those were the 3 winners at the Social Entrepreneur Awards. After this quick commercial break, we'll take you straight to the award ceremony. Do join us on CNBC TV 18 special Change Agents.